Okay, boys and girls, so you should be at your seats and have this paper in front of you. Make sure that your names are on it so when the teacher collects it, I know exactly whose work it is. So let me just explain what you are going to be doing today because it's going to be mostly by yourself, okay? So you really want to make sure that you're understanding what the directions are so you're not lost, okay? So, um, basically, what you are going to do is you are going to read the first paragraph, take notes in the margin, read the second paragraph, take notes in the margins, and then you are going to flip on the other page and answer the questions, okay? Before we do that, let me go over some important words. Why don't you go ahead and circle the word prehistoric, okay? Remember, that means that if you look down here, relating to times before written history. Now, let me also go over some other words, okay? If you look at this word right here, it's Argentina. Say the word Argentina. So Argentina is a country in South America. Say South America. Okay. So, and this word is scientist. Say the word scientist. So in this country, it talks about how this skull was found and how tall it was, how it had a sharp hooked beak and thin legs, and they probably ate animals as large as sheep and ran really fast, okay? And then the second paragraph, um, we'll just call this man's name Louis. Can you say Louis? And right here, the words are Dinosaur Institute. Say Dinosaur Institute. And then this is Natural History Museum. Say Natural History Museum. And then we have Los Angeles County, California. Say that. So those are the important words that'll help you with it. Remember, you're reading each paragraph. Show me on your fingers how many times, because twice is nice. You're writing in the margins. In order to get a level 3 or level 4, I need to see that you're taking your notes in the margins for both the first and second paragraph, and I'll be able to tell if you read it twice. And then let me go over the questions on the back. So you can flip your paper over just to make sure you understand everything. The main idea of this passage is, so you want to think about what was the whole passage about, okay? We don't want to know one detail that it said. We want to know what was the whole thing about. So if I picked one of these, can I say, oh yeah, the whole thing was about that, okay? Number 2, which of the following is not a detail from the passage? So remember, you're circling which one is not mentioned in this passage. Number 3 says, the author includes a picture of the bird. So you want to pick, why would the author include a picture of the bird? Would it be to show the color of the bird? Would it be to compare the size of the bird to a person? To show details about the bird's skull? Or to show where the bird was found? So you'll want to look at the picture and you'll want to think, why would the author include the picture to look like this? And then number 4, it is an opinion that, and then you want to think which one is an opinion. So we have, it is an unbelievable creature. Louis said it is an unbelievable creature. So the difference between these two is, this is a sentence of what was, this is just a sentence that someone said, and this is meaning that the text actually said that he said this, okay? The bird has a skull bigger than a horse's head, or all of the above. So remember, opinion is something that you might think, but someone else might not, okay? This type of terror bird was around 10 feet tall. Is this the main idea of the text or a detail? How do you know? So you're letting me know whenever it says, is the this type of terror bird was around 10 feet tall. I want to know if this is a detail or if this is the main idea. And I want you to tell me, how do you know? Don't say because I know. Tell me how you know, okay? So you're going to be working on this until the teacher tells you to clean up. Now, if you are not done by the time the teacher tells you to clean up, do not worry. You may work on it while people go to their centers, and then when you are done, you may then go to your centers, okay? But one thing I do not want you to do, boys and girls, is rush, okay? You are working on this until the teacher cleans up. Even if you are done, you go back and reread it and keep checking your answers. No one should be raising their hands saying that they are done. You are done when the teacher tells you to clean up, or if you need extra time, you may work on it while people go to their first center. Have the teacher pause the video and have someone repeat these expectations that I just said. Okay, so boys and girls, you can do this. Work hard. You know exactly what to do. You know that the answers are always found in the text. Just think about it, okay? Think about what the question is asking and what is the best choice, okay? Work hard. You may get started.